Volt accents remain a staple across Nike and Jordan brand silhouettes, whether it's for running, lifestyle, or basketball shoes. The latest to sport the striking hue is the women-led Jordan Heir, showcased in official images ahead of its summer 2025 debut. Volt mesh covers the toe box and side panels, while a black detailed TPU cage sits layered above. Additional elements include leather overlays at the forefoot, perforated material flanking the eyelets, and a mix of mesh textures on the tongue. Aside from the bold Volt mesh and black branding on the tongue, the rest of the sneaker stays understated in sail and white tones. The Jordan Heir sail, white, black and Volt is set to launch in unisex sizing for $110 in summer 2025.